Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Future Affiliate Pro. I've got a great video for you guys today. I'm going to be covering how you can start generating like 7 sources of affiliate commissions with a viral funnel. This funnel I wish I had 12, 18 months ago when I first started doing, learning about affiliate marketing. I didn't have any done-for-you funnels that I could use to quickly implement and to get my online business started, really, really fast and start getting commissions coming in so that I could, bankroll and start rolling into paid advertising and everything. So I'm super excited for this video to show you guys this funnel. And I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. There's a free and a paid option to it. So you guys don't even have to pay anything for it if you don't want to. But it's something that I think that you guys are really going to benefit from. If this is the first time you guys have been to my channel, my name is Jamar Jones. I created Future Affiliate Pro so I could provide you guys with actionable tools and warm community so that you guys can go out and create time, location, and financial freedom for yourselves. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, this particular funnel is a ClickFunnels funnel, and how it works is you have a funnel that has an opt-in page, a break-even sales page that you can twist and contort and however you want to. I'm currently split testing mine, but you have an opt-in, a break-even sales page, you can upsell a monthly coaching plan if you want. I offer my own coaching. If you guys want to get coaching from me, then there's going to be a one-time offer coaching plan, and then there is a training page. Okay, so this funnel is amazing because you can one-click it and you can have this entire funnel on as your own, and you can start promoting this funnel right away. And where this is really powerful is you can generate up to 6 or 7 sources, I'll show you in just a second, of affiliate commissions from different products with this one funnel alone, right? So here at the break-even sales page, you can see this is what it looks like. The one that you get may look slightly similar to this, and you can see here there's already, the videos are already uploaded into here. All of the buttons and everything is completely set up for you. Once you come in here, everything will be set up for you on the one click if you purchase this particular funnel. I'm currently selling this funnel, has sold for, these are true prices. This funnel has sold for $99 or $179. I've seen it even as high as $300. I've seen some people selling this funnel because this funnel is really powerful because it can generate you a lot of affiliate commissions. So I'm currently keeping it for the next probably week or two, probably the next week. I'm going to keep it at $29, and then I'm bumping it back to $49 because the value in this funnel is insane. So you have the option to get this funnel, and the only thing is you can't one click the entire, like I was showing you here. You can't one click this entire. You'll have to set everything up. So if you're already familiar or comfortable with ClickFunnels and you don't mind setting it up on your own, then the training is completely for free, right? So you have this landing page here, and you guys will get this. You'll get the videos here, and then you can see here there's countdown timers and there's buttons and everything, and it lets people know like, hey, what if instead I teach you, I just gave you the system? And the way I can give you the system is I can one click you into this entire funnel, right? But you don't have to one click it. If you want to set everything up on your own, it's going to take you probably 3 or 4 times as long, especially if you're not used to ClickFunnels and setting everything up. You can click this blue button down below that says, no thanks, I'll try it and set it up myself. So when you send people through this funnel, they'll either have the decision to purchase the funnel from you for $29, or they'll say, hey, I'll set it up on my own. I want the free training. So this free training here, they're going to land on this page, and it will give them an introductory video, And then it will tell them, it will show them step by step by step how to set up their own viral funnel, their own affiliate empire business. It literally is like a business in a box. It's an affiliate marketing business in a box. If you're brand new, it is, I mean, honestly, 29 bucks is super cheap. And you, within 24 hours, you could be driving traffic and starting to generate sales off of this particular funnel. So the first step is they'll go over setting up your account. Then they'll teach you how to synchronize your affiliate empire template and set up your particular domain, because you're going to need to buy, you're going to need to get a domain. If you don't have ClickFunnels, you get your first domain for free. Okay. So if you sign up for ClickFunnels 14-day trial, you will get that domain for free. But if you already have your domain, then you can link it in here. Then next, they'll show you how to integrate your email autoresponder. I use GetResponse, but you can use Aweber if you so choose. And there's a couple buttons here to get your autoresponders set up. Next, you're going to switch out all of your affiliate links and your videos, and you can embed your own videos or whatever in here. And it's great because you can put all of your affiliate links in here. Your ClickFunnels link can go in here. Your autoresponder link, your GetResponse can go in here. You can put your additional solo ad training. So Udemy is a email solo ad vendor. If you don't know what Udemy is, there's training inside here that will teach you exactly how to set up your solo ads so you can start driving traffic to your funnel literally like the same day that you have it set up. Okay, so these are all different. You can go, when you guys set all this up, you can set all of these affiliate links, and there literally is like 6 or 7. Plus, you get paid direct payment to your Stripe account, which is even better, right? So when somebody purchases this particular funnel through you, they'll take and pay through a Stripe. You'll connect your Stripe account, and that training is in here. All of the training that you need to get this funnel up and running is all right here, right? So once your funnel and your business is set up and complete, you need to get traffic and sales. The traffic and sales is the fun part, right? So solo ad training, like I said, they'll teach you how to set up an Instagram profile so you can start funneling Instagram traffic to your viral funnel. You can do YouTube. YouTube is my favorite source of traffic. It'll teach you how to set up your YouTube channel, how to set up your video to get quality traffic to your viral funnel. And then here is another, if you want affiliate link for YouTube SEO, which is TubeBuddy. I've been using TubeBuddy for months, and it dramatically changed it increased my views, and it allows me to get my SEO on my videos so that it's searchable and it will end up on the first page, rank very high on YouTube. And then the last part is setting up your own Facebook group. I have my own Facebook group. It's going to be in the description down below. If you guys are interested in affiliate marketing or digital marketing, growing on YouTube, driving traffic from different platforms, whether it be TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram, I have all that information, and I have a community. I'm building a community, Future Affiliate Pro, on Facebook. So make sure you guys go in there and join my Facebook group. I'd love to have you in there and collaborate and build your own Facebook group someday, right? I'll teach you everything I know in there. And that's where probably one of the easier places that you can reach me right now is my Facebook group. So here's all the training. And then there's an hour-long video literally teaching you step by step how to set everything up and how to launch your viral funnel. So you can do this and set everything up on your own, or you can pay the $29 and you can one-click it, and everything will literally it will populate for you, and your entire funnel here, all of this information here on the side, the way your funnel is set up, will be completely done for you. Okay, so you have the option And like I said in the beginning of this video, this is super powerful because with one click, you have your own funnel that you can set and drive traffic to, and you can start making commissions directly to your Stripe account, and then it pays out every single day. So you can get paid out every single day to your bank account. It is one of the best ways to get started. Like I said, I wish I had this 12 to 18 months ago. It has the training you need, affiliate marketing training that you need. It has the revenue stream, so it has the 6 or 7 different, and you're getting, as people purchase the viral funnel through you, you're getting paid through your Stripe account. So not only are you getting affiliate commissions, but you're getting paid for the funnel itself. So if you think this is something that you could add to your arsenal, your affiliate marketing arsenal, or if you just want to learn, right? So it has a huge, there's literally hours and hours worth of content in here in videos where it teaches you about affiliate marketing, how to set up accounts, how to get your affiliate accounts set up, how to do every single little nitty gritty thing. It's all in here. And I had to watch, probably 50 YouTube videos or 100 YouTube videos to find out all of the information that it takes to build out a funnel just like this. Like it would take me weeks to be able to build out a funnel like this. And the greatest part is you can one click it into your ClickFunnels account and you can drive traffic within 24 to 48 hours. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, the first link in the description below of this video, I'm going to leave for the viral funnel. Trust me, it's awesome. It has worked. It converts really high. It converts like 30 to 35% for me on the front end. And I honestly think you guys will really benefit, especially if you're beginners. You really benefit in having your own funnel that you can tweak, and you can add things, you can take things away. But this is something that you can provide, and some people even provide this when they get into a program as a lead magnet, right? Some people, they give this away. This is something that is super valuable that you guys will get benefit from, and I think that you guys will be able to make commissions right away. Again, check it out. The link's in the description down below. If you guys got some value out of this video and you guys are like, hell yeah, I want the viral funnel, let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel. I make affiliate marketing and digital marketing, YouTube growth, all kinds of affiliate marketing content for you guys to go out and start making commissions and making money online. Click the bell if you want to be notified when I come out with new videos. I try to come out with new videos every at least 1 to 3 videos per week, pending my own busy family life. I have a full-time job, but I love making videos, affiliate marketing videos for you guys. So make sure you guys check this out, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.